Okay.
Where's the phone? Where's the phone? Is he there? You hung up on him?
No, let me see that disconnect.
Okay.
Hey.
This is Mark Hensley.
Hey Mark, it's Officer Leland with the Sparks Police Department.
Appreciate you. Thanks for calling me back. Hey,
What's going on?
he came back with the car. We went our verbal rounds, and then I told Chucky to go down to my car and get my phones. I told you I had 2 Apple devices down there and my Bluetooth speaker. I told him to go down and get it, and then it came out that
Can you throw this?
the guy that stole my car had stolen those devices and had them on him, but he wasn't going to give them back to me because he's missing a 1/4 ounce of methamphetamines. And clearly, if you know anything about my history, I'm big into that shit. I'm being very, very, very facetious. So instead of confronting him, I just know that most crackheads are scared shitless from the cops, and everything that I said was 100% fucking factual. So I just called 911 and said, hey, this is the situation. And you called me back, and while I was waiting for you to call me back, he handed me my phone and said that the black one was down in the car, same with the Bluetooth speaker, and Chucky's on his way down to get him now. If that's true, then we got no issues here.
Awesome, sounds good.
All right.
How about don't let him in your apartment.
They're like cockroaches. Once they get in, how the fuck do you get them out?
Right, I hear you. Well, if he leaves, just lock the door and don't let him back in.
No, I hear you, but
If he breaks in, he's involved.
he needs help too, right? So that's all this is. He just needs to stop harming me while I try to help him. I'm trying to get him to get his shit together.
Alright, I got you.
All right. Well, I appreciate you, sir.
Alright, sounds good. Thanks, Mark.
Thank you. Bye. Oh.
I guess they're not coming.
What?
They're not coming?
No, they're not coming.
We'll get the car.
How are you going to do that? Do you have the car key? No, you don't.
No, I don't. You have the car key. Remember, I don't have but
I'm well aware.
I shouldn't have to use the car key to open it, do I?
Yeah, well, did you lock the car or leave it unlocked?
You leave it unlocked or lock it? Lock it?
Come on, buddy.
Okay.
Hey, give me a second. I'll be right back. Or take off. It's up to you. I'm just going to go check my car.
Okay, I'll just go out and lock it.
Cool. Rock on. Yeah, 7 rolls. I never touched your stuff.
There's the stuff you did take.
I never took anything.
What do you mean? But it's not in there.
I never took it, but you know what? You know what's missing since Andrew's been gone? A hell of a lot more Ativan, and you left 3 fucking pills. Quit stealing my fucking meds. Quit stealing my meds. Now, can I tell you something? I don't do your drugs, but you guys seem to be doing my medication. Quit fucking doing it. Now, here's the deal.
I do 2 things.
You steal my shit and what else?
No, dude, that's not what happens, dude. I got cereals for us.
You see this? This says 30. You know how many are in there? Can you count those? How many do you think I fucking take? How many?
I'm gonna take a crap for that, dude.
I don't know. Good boy, Lucas. Good boy. Sorry I had to bring you out here so late. I know it's like always already 1 o'clock in the morning, but
Hopefully we get a squirt or 2 out of him.
hopefully everything's still in the car.
How you doing with cigarettes? Can I get one from you? Not right now. Not right now.
Yeah, I got enough. I
Nice,
was gonna
thank you.
smoke one.
Not right now. When we go upstairs. Yeah, excellent. Thank you.
Yeah, I can smoke one down here.
No,
No?
no. We're just checking this shit and then going right upstairs.
Like I said, we're gonna go west now.
You want to do a patrol with us? You know you're gonna lift that leg, Logos. Oh, you gotta poop? Good boy. Shit, dude, I left the bags upstairs. Probably, but we'll get it when we get back. He's peeing and pooping. You're just a crazy boy. You're a crazy boy, peeing and pooping. Talk about business. All about the business. He doesn't get much of a coffee break. He had to piss and poop at the same time. Let's do a patrol, buddy. Hey, no, we ain't going that way. Hey, there's a cat right here, Logos. Oh, you left the gate open.
I didn't know you had your wallet.
Come on, buddy. We got a party bus. Logos. Logos, come here. Come on. Come on, dude. He's standing there looking confused. He's standing there looking confused. Keep the camera going and go around the corner and get the dog.
Logos. Where you at, bud? Logos. Huh? I went to the elevator?
Because he doesn't like working this late.
Okay. Look back at it.
That shit's running. It doesn't get in my pocket. Come on, let's go pick up some shit. Jack. Logo. Good mate. Wait a second. Elevators are running. People are coming. People. Let's see what comes out this door. You never know. Stand over here and film whatever comes out this door. People. Huh. It wasn't this floor because the elevator stopped running. You ready? Let's go. You can smoke that cigarette now if you want.
All right,
Just keep on recording.
I am. I shut it all the way this time.
What's that?
I shut the door all the way this time.
Yeah.
Come on. Okay. Car!
Where?
Oh, I thought I see headlights. Sorry.
Good boy. Good boy. That's my good boy. That's my good boy. Check this place out good. Check this place out good. All right, we're gonna take the long way around the apartment because I don't want him getting used to this. Hey! You want a place to warm up real quick? I got some food too. Come here.
Oh God.
What's up? Yeah, he's got a cigarette. Watch out for the car.
I zoomed in. Okay.
I asked you if you wanted to go into some warmth and have some food.
Yeah.
All right, then follow me to my apartment. But you wanted a cigarette first, and we don't smoke up there, so you can.
Okay, I'll
Security.
Yeah, so nice. Can you give me a cigarette? I'll go about my business.
Will you give this man a cigarette, please?
What kind of dog is that?
This is a Doberman.
That's a dog? Yeah. Got box too.
Yeah.
Well, hey, why is he on one time?
Why is he what?
The Sadie is a little dog.
Come on, dude. Let's go get some food. Yeah, you be you, brother. Oh no, fuck security. Fuck security.
No. Let me get a light off you.
I don't got no light. He's harmless. He's harmless.
What's your name?
AJ.
AJ?
Yeah.
You look like Doc Travis.
Yeah. What's your name?
Miguel.
Miguel, I'll see you around, brother. All right, but
Okay.
yeah, I live here. 305. There's cars on this road, so stay on the sidewalk, please. I need to buy him a flashing light for his collar for these night walks. That bike stuff that I have will do it. No. Okay, thank you. I'm good. Hey, I've researched the shit out of everything, that included. So, what do we got, a security problem? What's going on? I don't know either. What's up, security guy? Come on, let's go. Logos, I gotta check the car for electronics. Hey, take out your phone and call a number for me. 775. Okay, well, I'm still missing a black phone. That is for certain. We need to vacuum out the car, please. That vacuum cleaner comes down here.
Okay.
I'm recording all this for posterity, so I'm gonna record the fact that that black phone is sure as fuck not in here.
So I'll go grab my
And
phone.
whatever garbage this man left in here is.
I'll grab the phone and the vacuum cleaner.
No, don't worry about it. We're not doing that. It's way too late. What the fuck is all this? He put all sorts of garbage in my door.
He's smoking heroin, supposedly.
Smoking heroin, nice. Hey, the whole car needs to be detailed.
Okay.
We'll do it together, okay?
All right.
Okay. Where'd Logos go?
He went through the gate.
Did you leave the gate open? Well, he's missing. Oh, he's right there. You're very patient. Thank you, Logos. Somebody's ready for bed, but they peed and pooped a whole bunch. Aren't you glad we went out? Aren't you glad we went out, big boy? Someone peed and pooped a whole bunch. Are those Logos' new slippers, or are those yours?
These logos. He took my shoes and hid my shoes.
But nonetheless, those were his slippers?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
I had to.
I'm surprised he wasn't trying to chew them off your feet.
Me either. Good boy, though.
Open it. Open it. Look, go like this. Like that. My other Doberman could open those with a... Dude, drove me nuts. I couldn't lock her into anything.
Really?
Did Robo-Man leave, or is he on the back deck?
I think he should be over, but I think he's on my deck as well.
No, he took off.
Okay.
Where's the crackhead?
I don't know where's my phone. There he is.
Hey, what should we do with sleeping dogs? Do you wake them up, or do you let them lie? No, this one lies like a motherfucker.